President, International Chairperson for the Global Lasallian Student Network, Philippine Delegate Leader to the LaSalle Summer Leadership Program and Friends. He practically devoted his entire college life to serve the Lasallian community. A two-time most outstanding batch representative from 2009 to 2011. Former college president of the College of Business, who lobbied for the restoration of the protocol. Your incumbent vice president for internal affairs. Institutionalized the facility inspection and expansion program. Lobbied the installation of cooling devices in Go Home Way Lobby. Additional Wi-Fi spots and replacement of charging stations. Overall project head of this year's university. Who raised more than 300,000. Watching over this boy. He has grown so much, and I am very proud to say that he is more than ready to be your next university. Nasimulan po at ni Lawrence De Castro.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Robert Hechinova, ang inyong University Student Government President. 4 years ago, a very life-changing moment happened in my life. The opportunity to study abroad came. It was always a dream for me to study there, to be more independent. But the question, where could I affect the most change, entered my mind, and that made me stay, and that made me start the change in DLSU. I started in the USG as a batch representative, then college president, then now you're vice president for internal affairs. And I can say that we have provided so much for the students. We have fought for the rights of our batchmates, the people in our college, and of the students in DLSU. And being in the USG, I have to say that I was very much inspired by so many people. Our staff, our faculty, admin, S-Life, Santagon, people from Tapat, our USG elected officers, my officers who never left my side for 4 years, who fought with me to provide what the students needed and wanted. Thank you so much to all of you who have sacrificed so much. In the USG, I've faced so much. Ang daming issue. At sobrang pagod na ako sa paninira niyo sa akin. And I'm so tired of hearing that wala akong ginagawa.
Tama!
So this check what you've done. And I can tell you that this Santagan leadership has been tried and tested and has performed for the past 4 years. Marami nang tatanong sa akin, Robert, napapagod ka ba? Sinasabi ko, hindi. Dahil, as long as you don't have empowered Lasallians, progressive citizenry, our vision of Santagon, I will not stop fighting for this society and for our university. And for the vision of everyday Lasallian heroism, we want to develop a culture of Lasallians who recognize that your everyday actions, decisions, and choices can affect our society and our university. And Lasallians, please believe in this vision because I believe in you. We believe in you that we can all make a difference in our society and in our university. We just have to make that one simple choice, that one simple action, and that one simple decision. DLSU, let's make it happen with everyday Lasallian heroism. People ask, or people have been saying that this is my glory year. This is my glory running for president. Well, actually, it isn't yet. Because my shining glory is me giving justice to the office of the President. Appointed officers and the entire USG. We will ensure proper and strong student representation. We will raise awareness and involvement in national issues. I will make sure, and we will all make sure that your USG is addressing our concerns as students, that we really bring this university together. And at the same time, we will be an office that really works together from the start, and you don't need to know how the system works, because we have been in the system for the past 4 years. Two Santolan leaders that I look up to, Amy Chua, Lawrence De Castro. Two tapat leaders, Tabe Aquino, Jana Kabuhan, and DLSU. Trust me when I say it's about time that we bring justice to the office of the President.
Tama!
So much for this to happen. This is and forever will be my passion, leading you with a leadership that is always genuine. I am Robert Henchenova, your next university student government president. All these together in my association, we dedicate our life and work to God, who alone guarantees the fulfillment of our Luzon. Santolan family, thank you so much, and I'm rest assured, DLSU, that we will bring everything Luzon heroism to this university next year. Kaya sa tawag ng panahon, kaya sa darating na university, student, government, general elections, sabay-sabay po tayo!